Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having a great day. Today I have my January favorites. Now I have all skincare here because if you guys don't know, skincare is my favorite thing, then makeup. I love my skincare. I've always loved my skincare. And everybody asks me this question all the time. If someone gave you a choice between your skincare and your makeup, which one would you choose to give away? I said I'd give away the makeup. I'd keep the skincare. So that's how I feel. Okay, if you're new here, guys, most of my skincare is green beauty, eco beauty, and that kind of stuff. So if you're new to that world, this is for you. So this month, I'm gonna go right through my favorites. My two favorite face toners are, for this month of January, that I've been using a lot of, are my rose water and glycerin toner from Heritage Store. I got this from iHerb, and I got it on sale, but you can see that I've used quite a bit of it. I'm down to there. I need to get some more. And another one I was using quite a bit this month was the Josh Rosebrook Hydrating Accelerator. Now this one I received in a Detox Market box along with the Advanced Hydration Mask. I've been using both this month, but the mask I only use maybe once a week along with my other masks, but this one I've used probably almost every day of the month, and I still have some left, but I have to get more of this. I love this a lot. And right along with this, these are my two favorites for the month of January. They might not necessarily be my favorites in the summer, but for the winter, I find these to be really great at hydrating. Especially this one has glycerin in it. It really is great for the winter. I usually use their plain rose water one in the summer, but I could interchange between the two. And another item that I use a lot of, that I've been using a lot of, and you'll see that I've been using a lot of it, is the Jordan Samuel Hydrate Facial Serum. Now, this was one I got in Black Friday week sale, and you can see I've used quite a bit of it. I have to get the big 4-ounce size, so that one is on my agenda, and I really love this one. It just goes on nicely. It's like a gel, and you can see I personally like it. I mean, it's a hyaluronic acid. It's also a vitamin C. So it's a stable vitamin C, so it won't oxidize like you say, Timeless Serum can oxidize because that's water soluble, and it has this more like a gel, so it's much more shelf stable. I like that, and this is a thumbs up for this one. I've been using this since I got it. And another product that I have been using a lot of since I got it is the Skin Owl Beauty Drops, the PM, the Maki Berry. This is one I got in a pearlesque box, and you can see, I don't know if you can see that, but it's right to that line here, the label, and I've been using it quite a bit. I use it almost every evening before I go to bed. I put like 5 or 6 drops in the palm of my hand. I rub my hands together and then just pat it all over my face and my neck before I go to bed. I really like this over the skincare I did after my shower, and before bed I put this right on. I love this. I really like the way it feels on my skin. It does a great job. It does everything exactly that it says it will do. And then another one that I actually received this in a Petit Vour box. This is for the October Petit Vour, and I've been using this consistently too as well. This is the Poetic Blend Ghost Oil. Now I've been using this. I say I've been using this maybe 2 or 3 times a week since I got it, and I still have that little bit left in there, and I will just continue to use it until I finish it. I may or may not get the full size of this, but I really like this oil. It is just so smooth on my skin. I love it. It's great. And yeah, and I'm gonna finish it off. I don't know, let me see if I have any. Yeah, usually I try to not keep it up in the dropper, but yeah, that is the exact amount that I have left. Not much, only a few more uses left, so gotta get more. And then I have the two items that I received in the January Beauty Heroes box. It's the Maya Chia the Super Blend Pressed Serum, as well as the Eye Achiever. Now, this is one that's the roller ball, and some people said they didn't like, the way they had to put it on under the eye, but I really enjoy this one. I mean, it's clear, but I love the scent of that. It's really nice. So I like it under my eyes. I don't use it under any kind of makeup. If I'm wearing makeup, I usually use this at night, not during the day. So yeah, I like it. And I also like the Super Blend Serum, and you'll see I put a pretty good dent in that, and I love it. It has a little bit of to me it smells more floral. I don't know, maybe it's me. I like it, but I purchased some samples from the Detox Market, and I had gotten 4 samples. I had gotten the Josh Rosebrook, his the perfume that he makes. Okay, why can I never remember? I can never remember the name of his perfume. I got a sample of May Lindstrom's The Honey Mud, which I still have. I'm savoring that one. I'm going to use that at some time. I also received the Kahina Giving Beauty, the Brightening Serum, and the Vintner's Daughters Active Botanical Serum. Okay, these two, this one I've used quite a few times, and I still have some left in there. I don't know if you can see it in there. I do have some left. I'm really liking this. And I love the serum. I knew I would love the Vintner's Daughter serum. This is a $185 serum, but this is the only product that this company makes, so they put everything into this product, and I've used this 3 times already. I can tell you how many times I used it, and I still have that much left. It said that there would only be 2 uses out of this, maybe, but it just doesn't seem to stop ending, so I'm going to keep using it until I've finished it up. I just love this serum, so now I have to save up for it. And one thing I did was I forgot to do a video on my unboxing of my Detox Market box for January. I can't believe I forgot to do that. I opened it up, I took everything out, and I threw the box and the card away. I was like, wait a minute, did I do this unboxing? So I'm going to show you what I received in that box for January. I received the Tammy Fender, the Epi Peel. It's the Epi Peel. That's all it is the Epi Peel. And I also received her Bulgarian Rose Water toner. And I really like this toner a lot. It's a little bit different than the other rose toners. It is really rose, like really strong in the scent of rose. I also like the way it, hold on, I'm going to move my cup. I like the way it sprays. Let me see. You guys might not be able to see it on camera. It's a very light mist. You see that? Very light mist. And it goes on the face very lightly. And I like the Epi Peel. And I'm trying to read the directions, and they're so small written on the back. Dampen fingertips with circular motions, gently massage small amount onto cleansed skin. Allow to dry and remain on skin for 5 minutes. And it says remove with a moist cloth. Maybe use 2 to 3 times weekly. I'll show you what this looks like. It is white. Yeah, you see? Yep, it's white. You can see I've used it. To me, when I first open it, it has like, maybe this is off, but to me, it smells like Play-Doh. Slightly. Could be clay too. Yeah, it smells like clay a little bit too. You know what I mean. So yeah, this is technically a mini unboxing of these, but you have my favorites, my mini unboxing here. So let me know what you think of my favorites, guys. Especially this one, my favorite for the month that I'm savoring, the Vintner's Daughter. I might have to get another sample. I don't know. I haven't decided yet. We'll see. I mean, you can get 4 samples from the Detox Market, and I believe the total that I paid was just a little bit less than $10 with shipping, so it wasn't bad. And the samples that you're getting are really great quality. I think they sample just about everything in their store. I'll leave a link to the Detox Market down below, guys, okay? Take care. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And I will see you all in the next video. Guys.